Okay guys, part of our tactics and strategy, we're going to talk about our geometry set. So this is a brand new geometry set. I bought it in Mr. Price for $1.99. So while this this looks nice, lots of nice stuff here. Okay, the thing is we don't want to keep it, if you want to keep that as a bookmark, okay, we'll use it as a bookmark in our book. Right, lots of cool stuff in here, great. But I can't have it in here because it's going to get in the way. We do not need plastic wrappers, so they have to go. They're going in a bin. Same thing here for my two set squares. So let's talk about this. This is called a protractor. It's a yoke for measuring angles. Cool. Okay, these things are called set squares. You got the 30, 60, 30 degrees, 60 degree, 90. So it's a right angle triangle. And that one there is the most important one. You'll hardly ever use this one. You'll use it every now and then, or you know, maybe if a triangle looks to be almost isosceles right, you might use that one. Okay, you got a short little ruler here. That's great. I would suggest, I got these in Timo. I would suggest you use a good solid timber ruler as well, or any other one you already have. But if you don't have one, try and get one of these from me, please. Pencils. Okay, these are little half pencils that I like to use with my on our this thing. Okay, so it comes color toned. If you've chosen this color, you like this color, and you got a pair of the same color and a pencil of the same color. You have a tiny little miserable, if you don't mind me saying, miserable rubber. I'm going to test it out online, but I would say okay, let's pack this thing together the way we want it. So you're going to drop your protractor in first because you're almost never going to use it. You'll use it every now and then. You'll drop your 45 set square in next. Hardly ever used. Pity they don't quite just not touch each other there, but anyway. Here comes your 60. Now we're up to the action end of it. You're always going to be grabbing your straight edge ruler. What's nice about it, it has inches on one side, centimeters on the other. I'll have loads of straight edges too in the room, and we can use the scale on this to mark up our straight edges, just to have plenty of them. Okay, that packs in there like this. I've just got a thing because I have so many of these pencils that I'm going to use one of my standard issue pencils here. Thing about it is too, the way they're paired a little bit kind of stubby, if you like, so I'm going to just give this a fresh pairing. Like so. You know, a compass, you use it so little in terms of for lotta writing, because you're only using it for circles and circular arcs. Okay, what I like about this, it has a metal collar, which means it can't be over tightened and break. Okay, and it has a good strong section up here, and if it ever gets loose we can tighten it up with a screwdriver. Okay, so that goes there. Your pair goes in, a proper decent rubber goes in, a pencil goes in, a full pencil goes in, and maybe you drop pens in there. There's plenty of room for pens in there, and so on as well. Okay, I might put in a blue pen and a red pen. Now that's a proper kit ready to go. It's been prepared. Okay, so you need this on your desk nearly all the time, ready for work. It's like anything else, once you have it available, you find things to do with it. Okay, nice thing to bring into your exam too, because it gives you all sorts of conversion rates. If you forget that a kilometer is 1,000 meters, or if you forget that a liter is 1,000 centimeters cubed, I'm sure you find it in there somewhere. I can barely read that, but now that it's also, we have up here some formulas. Pythagoras' theorem. Oh my god, could you make that out? It is a right angle in a right angle triangle, a square, blah 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 blah. Area of a circle, half base by perpendicular height. Okay, it looks great, isn't it? Premto make it. A brilliant kit. Throw in a few extra pencils there. One extra pencil will do. Okay, have that ready. I'm going to be using this in the videos we make. As always, students, we're going to throw that in the bin. I know one or two of you insist, but most of you are complying. Okay. See you in the next. Oh, another little thing. I have this rubber, but it's just too big. And this one, and they're okay. Got them in Mr. Price, but they're just too big. So what I want with a rubber is I want to be able to, hold a good big enough rubber that I can hold on to it, a good solid rubber. However, these are just too big and they barely fit in my pencil, in my thing, so they're not being used anymore. This is my preferred choice. I think it's 20 cents, 15 cents or 20 cents, cheapest chips. Okay. See you in the next one.